Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your taillight turn signal bulb on your Honda CR-V. And to start off, we're going to remove these two bolts on the inside, and to do that we can use a Phillips screwdriver, or you can use a 8mm socket with a ratchet. For these bolts I always just loosen them with the ratchet, and once I get a few turns then I'll just take them out by hand with the extension in the socket only. And then once those are out, we're going to go ahead and take both hands and we're just going to grab the taillight and give it a slight wiggle, and that'll help loosen up the retaining clips. And just want to wiggle around the top and the bottom. And then I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to go up to the top part and put it between the taillight and the body of the car and just pull out on it. And that will pop the taillight loose from the body of the vehicle. And then on the back side, there's a few plugs that we need to unclip. And to do that, we just push on the tab of the plug and pull out at the same time. And then there'll also be this clip that's kind of held onto the body of the taillight. And you can push the tabs with your finger and then pull out on the side of the wire, and that'll pop that out also. And our taillight's out. And then we're just going to go set it in the trunk area, and we'll change the bulb back here. And then we'll just grab a hold of the plug and we're going to twist it counterclockwise about a quarter of a turn, and then just pull out on it. And then once it's out, you can just pull out on the bulb. It comes right out. And then just take your new bulb and press it into the plug, and then take your plug and get it seated down in the grooves, and then quarter of a turn clockwise, and then your new bulb is in. And I'll put a link in the description below for the bulb you need as a replacement. And then we'll just take our taillight and plug it back in, and when you push these plugs on, you should hear a click. That means they're seated in there. And then take the taillight and we'll bring it up to the body of the car. We're going to slowly put it up to it, and we want to make sure everything's lined up. We want to pay special attention to this pink tab here on the side. You want to make sure this tab on the taillight is lined up properly with the pink clip, and then also these pins right here on the taillight, you want to make sure they're lined up on the body of the vehicle, and then give it a smack and that'll get it clipped in for you. And then go ahead and reinstall your bolts on the inside here. Always start threading them by hand and then tighten them with the ratchet. And that is it, guys. Thanks for watching.